The heat is on, especially here in Mumbai, where we have seen the hottest day in the month of April in last 10 years. From a severe heat wave, we've come down to a normal heat wave, but Mumbai has witnessed 6 degrees above normal temperatures to almost 40 degrees. But it's not just about Mumbai or Maharashtra. Well, the IMD has gone out and given a yellow alert and an orange alert as far as various cities and states in Mumbai are concerned. So whether it is about West Bengal or Odisha, which are expected to see higher temperatures, it also is about Telangana, which has recorded highest temperature at around 44.8 degrees. And Gujarat, it could be a bit of a concern as well, especially in the areas of Kutch and Saurashtra. Even cities like Vadodara and Ahmedabad are looking at very hot temperatures at 40 to 44 degrees per Celsius on the higher side. Let me tell you what a heat wave is. Well, a heat wave is when you have temperatures above normal by 4.5 degrees Celsius, and also when they are above 37 degrees. Also, when the heat wave or the above normal temperatures are there for a longer time, included with severe humidity as well. Well, it also is about why heat wave. There are 2 or 3 reasons for that. One is the easterly winds causing cyclonic circulation above Maharashtra. The other is about we are looking at warmer temperatures. It also is about climate change. There are various construction activities happening, and all of that really seems to be adding up to this. But the point is that the heat waves may just about continue for the month of April, May and June as well, until we see monsoons coming in. Usually there are 4 to 8 days of heat waves in a season, but this time around it is as high as 10 to 20 days. So we just may about see more heat wave days going forward here. The reason that we are seeing these heat waves in the country also has to do with the climate change. Well, the IMD has predicted hot and humid temperatures also for the days of 18th April and 19th April as well. There are concerns that we are seeing in sense of power generation and power consumption, which has been on the higher side. There also are concerns when it comes to agriculture. The water reservoirs are on the lower side of the capacity. So there are various things that the consumers, that the government is keeping an eye on, especially given the fact that the voting in sense of the Lok Sabha election starts pretty soon. There are various advisories put out as well, and hydrating clearly is the major one. Also is to stay indoors when the temperatures are higher, and especially between the time of 12 to 4 p.m. during the day.